Toddler Learning Time TV.
Welcome to the Magic Color Eggs Show. Let's find out what's hiding inside.
Green egg. What's inside? It's a green frog. Black egg. What's inside? It's a black cat. Blue egg. What's inside? It's a blue whale. Brown egg. What's inside? It's a brown horse. Golden egg. What's inside? It's a shiny gold crown. Gray egg. What's inside? It's a gray elephant. Pink egg. What's inside? It's a pink teddy bear. Red egg. What's inside? It's a red fire truck. White egg. What's inside? It's a white bunny. Yellow egg. What's inside? It's a yellow duck. Orange egg. What's inside? It's an orange tiger. Purple egg. What's inside? It's a purple unicorn. Rainbow egg. What's inside? It's a rainbow robot. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more magical